Welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand relational operators in Python. So understanding relational operators in this way by executing the program is very easy to understand. That's why many things we can cover here. That's why we are going to do like this. And these relational operators, we call them as comparison operators also. So the list of relational operators that are available in Python are, these are the list of relational operators available. So we call them as equal to operator. It is going to check equality of two variables values, and not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. These are the relational operators available in Python. Let's understand by executing the code. Let's take x is equal to 10, y is equal to 10, z is equal to 20. And now we have written as k equal to x double equal to y. This is relational operator. X equal to y. It is going to check the value. What's the value that present in x? 10. And what's the value that present in y? 10. 10 equal to 10. Yes, it is true. So it is going to, these relational operators are going to provide you a true or false value. We call them as Boolean values. Boolean values means either true or false. So these relational operators are going to provide you Boolean value as output. X double equal to y, it is going to give you Boolean value. If it is true, it is going to give you true value, otherwise false value. So 10 equal to 10, which is true. So k equal to true means k is going to have a value of true. So print k is going to be displayed as true. This is how relational operators are going to work. Now let's check the next code. X equal to 10, y equal to 10, z is equal to 20. Print x not equal to y. From this statement, you need to understand, we can write inside the print statement not only variables, you can write expressions also. Using operators, we are writing expressions. X not equal to y. This is an expression. The output which you are going to get here, it is going to be displayed on the screen. So x not equal to y. What is the value of x? 10. 10 not equal to 10. Is it true? No, it is false. So that's why the first one, it is going to display false. Second one, print x greater than z. What is the value of x? 10. And what is the value of z? 20. 10 greater than 20. No, false. So second one is also false. What's the third one? X less than z. Yes, it is true. So the third value is true. Similarly, print x less than or equal to z. X is 10. Z is 20. So 10 is less than or equal to 20. So it is true. Next one is x greater than or equal to z. It is false. 10 is not greater than or equal to 20, so it is false. This is how we are going to use relational operators in Python. So when you execute this, these are the outputs which you are going to get: false, false, true, true, false. Hope you understand, you got good clarity about relational operators, what's the output it is going to display. If you have any questions regarding this concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.